today's video, I'm unboxing my second BoxyCharm Premium box for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. As some of you know, I am still getting over being sick, so if my voice is kind of in and out, I apologize. I'm doing the best I can. I do have some hot tea, and but we'll kind of see where it goes. I want to thank those of you who have been sending well wishes. I am better than I was, but I'm not quite 100% yet. So, BoxyCharm Premium box. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It costs, the base box is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items with an average value of $175. The premium box is an option that once you have the base box, you have the option to subscribe for the premium box. You do have to get on a wait list, although I will tell you that the wait list this time lasted all of 2 days. And in the premium box, which is $35 a month, and this is in addition to your base box, although once you start getting the premium box, you do have the option to cancel your base box and only get premium. But for $35 a month in the premium box, you get 6 to 7 full-size beauty items. Although I don't know that I've ever actually gotten 7. I think I almost always get 6. But you do get 6 to 7, they say, full-size beauty items ranging from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, color cosmetics. And the boxes have an average value of $215. Now, if you saw my last video, which was my Boxy Luxe starter box, I started a second BoxyCharm account with a little bit different profile. Everything else the same: red hair, blue eyes, fair complexion, all of that. The only difference being my age. My regular subscription has my actual age, which is 54. But in my second subscription, I had used the year I graduated high school as my birth year, so it makes me 18 years younger, just to see if there was a difference in what the boxes would be for someone in their mid-30s versus someone in their mid-50s. I considered going even younger, but I was just way beyond. I figured that 18 years should be enough of a difference to see. I suppose that somebody who's 21 may be getting completely different products, but I did want to get things that were things I was going to use. So anyway, that's what I did. I originally was just getting the base box, and then this month I added premium, and I also subscribed for Luxe. And as I said, unexpectedly got the Luxe starter box, which I wasn't expecting and wasn't expecting to be charged for. But they may have told me in the process there may have been something and I just didn't notice it. So I'm not mad about it. I got some really good stuff and I'm really happy with it. I'll put a link to that video if you have any interest in it. But in the meantime, they also sent me this month. Like I said, I was only on the wait list for like 2 days. I got my second premium box this month, so it'll be kind of fun to see if I got the same items as last time. And I didn't get to choose because this was my first one, so I have no choice item in here. They picked everything for me. So let's see if younger me got the same stuff as real me, or and how we feel about it. Okay, so we open it up and we have our card with our theme, which is Candy Shop. I've shown you this before. I'm sure you've seen it 100 times. Still creeps me out that there's a bloody hand up here in the corner that if you don't look closely, you don't notice. But, you know, Halloween is more than just the candy. It's the creepy and spooky as well. So anyway, this variation we got was 78. So let's take a look. Well, the first item, and I believe this was my choice item in my other one, was from Kosas, and it is the Tinted Face Oil Foundation. A clean, featherweight, light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir. The application that takes as little as 10 seconds. The breathable formula, even skin tone, minimizes pores, erases imperfections while supporting skin health. It is available in 16 shades. my shade, when I got to choose it, is actually 01, although I haven't tried the foundation yet, so I'm not sure. They sent me 02, which is at least close, they, you know, based off my profile. And since I haven't tried the other one, I don't know. It may be something where if I mix 1 and 2 together, they'll go really well. So I'm not going to open it yet because chances are I won't use this during the winter here in New Jersey. I may take it with me in January when I go down to Florida and I want something a little lighter, but up here I tend to like these really lighter foundations or like tinted moisturizers. So this one's a tinted face oil, and so I'm assuming it is a light, well, they say a light to medium coverage. I tend to like those in the warmer weather. So I don't want to open it now and start the clock ticking on expiration of the product. It does have a 12-month, but I'm going to wait and bring it with me when I go to Florida over the winter, and we'll try it down there. But anyway, retail value of this is $42, and like I said, they got pretty close to my shade. I mean, I chose 01 because today I'm actually wearing a mixture of my shade foundation and a shade darker blended together just because I'm kind of sick and wanted to give myself a little more color. So the fact that this one's a little bit off, you know, especially if I'm using it in Florida and I actually get a little, I don't actually tan, but I do redden. So I may want a little bit darker foundation. So I'm not mad about that. And again, retail value on that's $42. Okay, next from Jouer. This is the Essential Lip Enhancer. I'm a big fan of the Jouer products. I have quite a few of them. I like their lip products a lot. I have a lot of their tinted lip balms. I have some of their liquid lipsticks and lip glosses and stuff, so as well as their cheek products. So I'm pretty happy with this. This is an ultra-rich lip moisturizer that nourishes and conditions using good-for-you ingredients like shea butter and jojoba seed oil. Here's the packaging on the inside. It's infused with clean, good-for-you ingredients, a lip enhancer that offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration, and has a subtle rose scent. And this retails for $17. See how subtle. It's definitely a rose scent. Subtle, I guess, is subjective. I happen to like the scent of rose, so it doesn't bother me. But yeah, it's definitely got a rose scent. But like I said, I like Jouer products. I like the scent of rose. Lip balm, particularly in the winter, never a bad thing. So yeah, they're 2 for 2. Retail on this $17. Next, from Laura Geller. This is the 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. And that's red. That am very red. This is no more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers a perfect amount of color with each application. It is available in 8 colors. And the shade I received is Ruby Romance, which is clearly a bright orange red. I do not wear orange reds. I only wear a cool red, if I wear red at all. I'm a berries, pinks and berries kind of person. But yeah, this is, yeah, no. Again, jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern? I don't know. Jackie-o'-lantern? Whatever. Pumpkinhead. So this one will be going in a giveaway. There were a lot of really nice colors in this one because I had seen, of course I've seen all the products that were available, which is how I do my research ahead of time. I kind of know they do show you everything that's potentially going to be in the boxes. So I do the research on that so that I don't completely spoil the surprise for myself, but I can do the research to talk to you guys about them. And there were some really, really great colors. There were some nudes, there were some pinks, there were some sort of the berry kind of plummy colors like that I would have really liked. And honestly, I think out of the 8 colors it's available in, this is the one that was like, well, as long as it's not that color, it'll be good. My luck. But retail's $21. It's not like it's a bad product, it's just a bad shade for me. That's what happens with subscription boxes, so this will be going into a future giveaway. And our next product, okay, this is one that I got in my other box, and I'm not unhappy about it even a little bit because it is from Murad, and it is the Hydrating Toner. This is ultra hydrating, alcohol-free toner that instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. Retails for $35. And this is, they say this is step 1 of a routine. Use AM and PM. Hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from the face. Close the eyes and mist evenly onto skin after cleansing. Then apply Murad treatment to your damp skin. So let's see what the spray looks like. I'm going to go this way, so I'm not spraying the camera, but hopefully you'll see. Oh, it's a nice fine mist. Oh, it doesn't smell bad. I'm going to actually spray the back of my hand so I can get an idea what the smell is like. It smells fine. It's kind of a fresh and clean scent, but it's not strong at all. I haven't opened the other one, which is why I did this time, because again, I'm trying to use up older skincare products before, because if I opened everything as I get it, I would have like 27 moisturizers, and they do have shelf life. This one is 12 months, so actually, since I did start using it, I'm going to put it up here so I know it's one that I need to use instead of putting it back in the box, but I'll leave it over here for now. Again, the retail value on that is $35. Murad Skincare, always good. Never going to be unhappy to get that, even though it's a duplicate for me. Okay, our next one, this is another one that I got in my box as well. This is the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies. And yes, the name is Swipies. These are single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution to get rid of dense skin cells and hydrate the skin. Well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. And the retail on this is $35. There are 50 pads in here. Like I said, I did receive this already. I haven't tried it yet. So I may put this in a giveaway since I already have it, so somebody else can try it. I'm not so sure how I feel about this. I'm already using exfoliators that I really like. Not a bad thing for, I guess, traveling, but I certainly don't need 2 of them. So, but yeah, again, it's an interesting product. It's not a brand I'd ever heard of. Not particularly thrilled with it, but okay. Okay, our last product, our 6th product, is the Illuminati X Issa Eyeshadow Palette. This one is shrink wrapped. I'm not going to open it because this will go in a giveaway because I already have it. I think everybody in the premium box has got this month. So I will see if I can find the clip from where I showed it last time and insert it here. But this is Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. Shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals, and there's a look for every person. Retail value on this is $48. Anyway, that's my 6 items. We got the Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation, the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer, the Laura Geller Very Orange Red Liquid Lip Color, the Murad Hydrating Toner, the Exfoliating Swipies from Go-To Skincare, and the Illuminati Cosmetics Palette. Not my favorite box of all time, but you know, again, I didn't get to choose anything this time, so this is a $35 box. They promise 6 to 7 items with an average value of $215. We did get 6 items. Total retail value here was $198. Close enough to an average. Again, that's average value, not minimum value. Again, not my favorite box this month, but you know, not bad. again, the Murad, I'm never going to be unhappy about. Good skincare. The Jouer is something I will use. And the Kosas wasn't one that I was like, oh, I want to try that, but if I've got it, I'm going to try it. And at least when I wasn't able to pick my tone, they at least got close. So especially if it's sheer, the fact that it's one shade off shouldn't matter. And I have the one that is 01, so maybe 01 plus 02 may equal Florida Me. We'll find out. So leave your comments down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.